Interestingly, before this course started, this fortune teller guy told me that on the 26th, my life was going to transform. I'm reflecting on that on the 26th during our sound bath. Before that, you were all telling me to let go, right? Because I had this blockage in the storage. Afterwards, I felt so different. I feel really, really different right now. It's such a gift to receive sound healing, but it's such a gift to be able to provide it to others.
And thank you for you both. I think you very complement each other. Beautifully. It's a great balance.
All different countries and cultures, you combine so many things. Coming here and learning all the theory about yoga, about anatomy, about philosophy, about sound healing, about vibration, it gave me a proper house to live in.
A little bit of that away to carry on my journey to help heal other people. I'm so grateful for it, and I'm so happy that I ended up here.
Helping with yoga, with sound healing, with other things. I'm super proud of myself to follow this.